Guys, I've been waiting so long to unbox this stuff. Today, we are going to be doing the new setup in the Mazda 3. So here we have the Likewise diamond shift knob, along with the InFocus, the henna feather shift boot from InFocus. And today we are going to be doing the new shift setup in the Mazda 3. The Mazda 3's been running red for a long time now, and I'm sick and tired of it. I wanted to unbox this on camera because like the amount of quality that went into the whole boxing for Likewise is unreal. Like this is like unboxing an iPhone. This is wrapped. This looks like an iPhone photo. It's got the branding on the side and everything, including with this, and it's even got a little QR code. Along with their other stuff, this is the ring adapter, and then the thread pitch adapter's cool, which they make it a really cool color. Like, come on guys. And they also like included a sticker in a plastic bag. Like, that's top notch. And then InFocus is just InFocus, their typical InFocus. So these are both clearance items or discontinued. This shift knob is discontinued. They came out with another one similar. So I picked this one up because like it's mint. This was also on clearance as well, but it works because it's the color that we're going for. And then obviously I had to get the shift ring because why not? So let's go ahead. We're gonna leave the shift knob for last, and let's go ahead and unbox the shift boot first. I've ran InFocus before, which was on the second gen Mazda Speed 3. I had their Cherry Blossom setup, which I really liked, so I thought I'd stick with them again. And fortunately, they had something that I could vibe with that I would want to use for the next color scheme. So this is it. It's a universal shift boot. You can get them designed for each car. Unfortunately, they don't have any for Mazda. So this is the henna feather discontinued shift boot, and I think it's pretty mint. Included in the packaging comes with 2 stickers as well from InFocus. Nice design, nice material. And it also comes with the InFocus tag right here. And then it also comes, it's already ringed up with, I'm guessing, cardboard in there to adapt to your ring, your shift ring. So anyways, that's the shift boot. And on to the shift knob stuff. So in this bag right here, we have the shift ring adapter, basically to hold your shift boot on underneath here. And it has Likewise branding across the top right here. It's very nice, very clean look. And then in this bag right here, we have the ring adapters, thread adapters, sorry. Comes with a screw that I believe sits on the bottom to adjust where your shift knob sits. And it also comes with the thread pitch, and for Mazda, that would be 10 by 1.25. I do want to keep this box, so we'll see if this razor cut it. Oh yeah. Just cut the box. Beautiful. This is gonna be one of the best unboxings like I've ever done. So anyways, here you guys have the box. Nice material. Oof. And let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And there you guys have it. The Likewise, I think they call it the Diamond O'Neill or something like that. So it's just a basic kind of a Satan gloss sort of paint with obviously black, and then it also comes with the Likewise branding on top. A decent size. It kind of fits in my palm nicely, and gonna be mint paired on top of the shift boot adapter. So that being said, now that we've unboxed this, let's go ahead and put her in the car. So this is the current setup in the Mazda 3. It's all red, and then you got the red shift boot, and then the red shift knob, along with a black shift boot retainer. We're going to be changing up the whole look of this car, basically the interior and the exterior as well. As you guys can see by the shift boot color that we chose, it's going to be purple. So we're in the works of finding new door fabric to change with purple, and this whole shift setup is going to be changed. So we're going to jump straight into this, pull it out, and get the new one installed. In order to do a universal shift boot for the Mazdas, there's 4 screws that basically hold in a plate that the shift boot wraps around. So It wraps around the top. This one didn't. This was also universal. It's basically like a kind of a stretchy bottom, like a elastic that goes around, but we're going to be doing this differently. Basically on the bottom of the Mazdas, there's little pins that you basically got to line it up with. So what I'm going to do is, this was a decent size. I'm going to measure it up basically to the same size, the universal one. Okay, and this is approximately what it should sit like. Basically what you do, cut out little areas, make sure they're down to size, and then when you put it back in, it should look something like that inside of its little home. I'm gonna go ahead, realign everything.
Oh yeah, better just go right towards your lungs.
There she goes. Looks mint. Let's go do it. I'm excited. It's gonna sit like that. That's nice. So that's sitting all the way down. Likewise is pointing my way. I'm so excited to finally get something new in this car.
That's backwards.
And there you guys have the install video for today for the Likewise shift knob, the shift boot adapter, and the InFocus shift boot. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys pick up somewhat at least the same setup. At least support Likewise. It's not sponsored, but this is like definitely a very, very impressive unboxing. I've really never unboxed anything to this quality, and this is a very quality setup. It is quite pricey. I will leave the links in the description below, but you do pay price for the good quality, which is what I learned in today's install and purchase. This feel of the shift knob, it is quite heavy. It weighs in about half a pound, I believe. That's what they measured it at. It's gonna get quite a while to get used to because I'm used to a ball or just a regular stock shift knob like this. So it is a different style, but I'll get used to it. It's not like I'm tracking the car, and if I do end up by tracking the car in the future, I'd get a different shift setup probably from them as well. A little easier to throw, but this for just regular driving, it does fit in the palm quite well, and I am quite impressed. So anyways guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and also post notification if you will. Other than that guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.